Now we are going to start with a new topic, which is middleware and Laravel. In the previous videos, I have already covered this flow chart of Laravel command flow, where the user sends a request, the request goes to the routes, and from the route it will go to the controller. Then from controller, using the model, either we will save our data inside our database, or we will fetch data from the database. Then we will return the response or the view back to the user. Now, using the middleware, we are going to check the request that is coming from this user. Is this user authorized for this action or not? If the user is authorized, then we will follow this flow. Otherwise, we will return back to the user. For example, in here we have a middleware in between the user request and our route. So when the user sends a request in the middleware, we will check that is this user authorized or not. Basically, the middleware will work like a gate. If the request is authorized, then it will continue. Otherwise, it will return back to the user, or it will block the user from accessing that route, controller, or that action. Basically, there are three types of middleware: route middleware, global middleware, and terminable middleware. The route middleware is applied to a specific route. For example, we want to create two dashboards, one for the students and one for the teachers. Then we will protect those routes, those dashboards, using the route middleware. The global middleware runs on every request, no matter the route. So any request that any person makes, it will the middleware will run. And finally, the terminable middleware is used for logging or clean up, because the terminable middleware runs after the response is sent to the user. So basically, after the user receives the response, then this terminable middleware runs.